Top 5 Fastest Aircraft in the World 2018. 5. Lockheed YF-12. Lockheed YF-12 was an American prototype interceptor aircraft evaluated by the United States. Top speed, 3,661 km per hour. Range, 4,800 km. Length, 31 meters. Unit cost, $18 million USD, 1963. In the 1950s, the F-106 Delta Dart was replaced with the YF-13. The replacement was a prototype. During testing, the YF-13's speed could go over 2,000 miles per hour, making the new speed record. This prototype also made a new altitude record after going over 8,000 feet. In 1960, the YF-12 was going to be used for defense in the United States. These planes were ordered to protect at home, but there was not much money left for the defense budget during the Vietnam War. In 1968, the program ended. 4. Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird is a long-range, strategic reconnaissance aircraft that was operated by the United States Air Force. Top speed, 3,540 km per hour. Length, 33 meters. Wingspan, 17 meters. Unit cost, $33 million USD, 1966. The SR-71 Blackbird was made in 1960 and could fly at 2,300 miles per hour. After it was tested, the SR-71 Blackbird could go up to 2,600 miles per hour, allowing pilots to outrun missiles, but the plane couldn't handle that speed for very long. The SR-71 flew in the Vietnam War. These planes were not hit by any of the 800 SAM missiles that were fired at them. Mechanical failures caused 12 of the 32 planes to be lost. 3. Boeing X-51 Waverider. The Boeing X-51 Waverider is an unmanned research scramjet experimental aircraft for hypersonic flight at Mach 5 and an altitude of 70,000 feet. The aircraft was designated X-51 in 2005. Top speed, 6,200 km per hour. Range, 740 km. Weight, 1,814 kilograms. Length, 7.62 meters. First flight, May 26, 2010. The scramjet engine is specifically designed for faster flights. The technology for the X-51 is going to be used in missiles that can fly at a similar speed as the plane. The X-51 set a new record for the longest flight above Mach 5. After testing, this plane is expected to fly above 3,900 miles per hour and ready to enter the service in 2025. 2. North American X-15. Top speed, 7,274 km per hour. Weight, 6,620 kilograms. Range, 450 kilometers. Introduced, September 17, 1959. Retired, December 1968. First flight, June 8, 1959. Engine types, rocket engine, reaction motors. XLR-99. In 1950, the North American X-15 was made. This aircraft could reach 4,500 miles per hour, making a new record for fastest speed. This aircraft could go over 50 miles high. The X-15 became the first space plane. The pilots who flew this space plane were given astronaut wings. During one of the flights, the pilot, Major Michał Adams, died because the X-15 spun and G-forces broke up the plane. Soon after, the plane was retired. 1. NASA X-43. The X-43 was an experimental unmanned hypersonic aircraft with multiple planned scale variations meant to test various aspects of hypersonic flight. Top speed, 11,760 km per hour. Length, 3.65 meters. Wingspan, 1.5 meters. NASA created the NASA X-43 for its HyperX program. It has the record for fastest aircraft. This aircraft can fly up to 7,310 miles per hour. The X-43 is dropped from a carrier plane and the fuel booster rocket under it sends it to the wanted speed. Only 3 X-43s were built. The first design was destroyed because of an in-flight malfunction. The second was crashed into an ocean on purpose after a test flight. The third set a record after it went 7,310 miles per hour. If you enjoyed this post, share by clicking the icons below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.